Acme Machine Company builds automation equipment for cardboard boxes in fulfillment centers. On this project, there are 3 feed conveyors and a palletizing robot. The flow rate of the boxes to the robot needs to be controlled. So the manager adds that task in Project Planner to instruct the engineers to develop a control system using sensors and the existing PLC. The electrical engineer sees this task and opens the existing project. They search the symbol library and then the part library for a sensor that will suit their needs. Four sensors are required, so the engineer makes copies. Then adds an outline which assigns the location in the physical world and adds the wired connections. Next are terminal strips for where the wires will enter and exit the control panel. Then briefly verifies the setup of the PLC and adds wire numbers. Then generates terminal strip drawings. Then generates the bill of materials and wire list, and last, saves it to the platform, which also automatically generates a smart PDF.